Hi, in this video we will be discussing GMAT Official Guide 2017 edition Quant Problem Solving question number 2. Certain question types in GMAT where you will be given with 4 or 5 6 lines of text and you are expected to solve the question. For those type of questions, try to solve it part by part. This is one such question. You just need to follow the step by step approach, do part by part and complete the question and get an answer. Let's have a look at this question. The question says, on a vacation, Rose exchanged $500 for euros at an exchange rate of 0.80 euro per dollar and spent 3/4 of the euros she received. So let's stop here and let's try to understand what the question is saying. So here there are two parts. So first we are saying is she had initially $500 and she's trying to exchange it to euros at an exchange rate of 0.8 euro per dollar. So that is $1 is equivalent to 0.80 euro. So that is you have two things, one is dollars, another thing is euros. Now she has to exchange $500 and she has to have the equivalent amount of euros for it. So $1 equal to 0.80 means then $500 will be equivalent to, just multiply both the sides here with 500. So just multiply here with 0.80 into 500. We have two zeros here and one more zero here. Let's bring it down. So 5 into 8, 40. So I have to keep two decimals here. So let's keep two decimals. So you will get 400. So that means $500 worth 400 euros. So that means now next line says she spent 3/4 of the euro she received. So 3/4 of the euro. So currently she is having 400 euros. So 3/4 of the 400 means she is spending 300 euros. So if she spent 300 euros, then she will be having only 100 euros remaining. So now the next question says, if she exchanged the remaining euros for dollars. Now the second part of the question where she is exchanging euros to dollars. First she did dollars to euros. Now she is doing euros to dollars. So euros, dollars is like this. Now the exchange rate of euros is $1.2 per euro. So that is 1 euro is equivalent to $1.2. So in that case we have 100 euros. Then multiply both sides with 100. So the equivalent amount will be $120. Bingo, you got the answer. The question is asking you what was the dollar amount she received. So answer has to be D. Eliminate all other answer choice. Now you could ask me what could be the alternate way of solving this question. Alternate way of solving this question could be, we can use back solving because we have numbers in the answer choices, or we can use both process of elimination and back solving in tandem to solve this question. Before we start solving this using back solving, let's understand what is the reasoning of the question. So here if you look at it, the last line of the question says what was the dollar amount she received. So basically she had some number of euros. She is converting those euros at a rate of $1.2 per euro and she is getting the total amount in dollars. So basically 1 euro is equivalent to $1.2. Now she has some X number of euros. Now she is converting this to a dollar. So multiplying this with 1.2 will get you the total amount she will get in dollars. Now let's see how to use the answer choices now. So if you look at it, the answer choices are nothing but total amount she has in dollars. So basically 1.2 into the number of euros is equivalent to the answer choices. So let me call it as answer choices. Now if you technically look at it, the number of euros is nothing but answer choices divided by 1.2. So the number of euros cannot be in decimal or a fraction according to the information given in the question, because you had totally 500 euros initially, $500 initially, where you exchanged it for euros, and you had 3/4 which is also a whole number. So you cannot have the number of euros here in decimal or a fraction. So that means whatever be the answer choice should be divisible by 1.2. So to be precisely, it should be divisible by 12, because 1.2 you can multiply in denominator by 10 and numerator also with 10, and you can bring it to a whole number. So in that case it has to be divisible by 12. So if you look at it, answer choice A Yes, because 12 into 5 is 60. So 12 into 5 will get you 50, will get you 600. So answer choice A could be divisible. Hold on. Answer choice B, no, eliminate, because 12 sevens are 84. So eliminate. Answer choice C, 12 eights are 96. So eliminated. Answer choice D, 120. Yes, 12 tens are. Hold on. Answer choice E, 140. Definitely no. So answer choice would be either A or a D. Okay, so let's look at it why A cannot be an answer. So if I have 60, so 60 by 1.2 is nothing but multiplying both sides with numerator and denominator with 10. We will have 600 divided by 12. 600 divided by 12 is nothing but 50. So what is this 50 according to the question? This 50 is nothing but she exchanged the remaining euro. The remaining euro is 50. So that is 1/4 of whatever the euro she had is 50. So that means the total number of euro she had is 4 into 50, which is 200. So that means she had some $500 initially where she is exchanging for euros, which is 0.8 euro per dollar. So and she is getting 200 euros, which is technically not possible because euro rate is not that less. Euro rate is 0.8, more than 50% of the dollar rate. So in that case it has to be at least minimum 250, at least if I take 50%, but technically this is 80% of it. It cannot be 200. So eliminate answer choice A. Answer has to be D. I hope this is clear.